see the caboose. Don't get behind me.
Single file Montana. Stay right behind Zach.
Now if you ever plan to motor west, travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Now it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Now you go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, and Oklahoma City. Well, it's mighty pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, and Oklahoma City. Well, it's mighty pretty. You see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman.